Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Remastered SaGa Minstrel Remastered for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the Ryujinx emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM and dual channel memory, and I'm going to show you the settings in a second. Just let me configure everything here real quick. Oh my gosh, that was a lot. That was a lot. Anyway, let's get into the config real quick. So I have to take it right off the bat. The Yuzu emulator does not run this. Ryujinx was the only one that actually works. We're actually running at 2 times X, which I completely forgot I was running at. But this looks like this was an old game that's just remastered here, which I am completely fine with. I feel like I've heard this game before. I definitely have actually. Nonetheless, though, we're running at 1440p, and it is running quite well. Unfortunately, the overlay isn't working for this game. It seems to come and go with these games. They're running at 60 FPS on average, and everything seems to be going great. So Ryujinx definitely makes this playable, but this also did come up for PC today, so I will be testing the PC port as well. It's just I did this one first. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I'm just gonna mute myself now, so enjoy the rest of the gameplay, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember, just look down below to see the 60 FPS for the FPS mark, and that's it.
This was her brother, Albert. And this is his story.
I'm coming in. Good, you're awake. You're needed downstairs. Join us as soon as you've equipped yourself. You forgot. You're still not ready? Fine, I'll just do it for you. Good. Now let's begin. Father, foul beasts lurk in the cave to the east. My brother and I will eradicate them.
What, just the two of you? Diana, suitors will soon come asking for your hand. No longer may you spend your days in idle swordplay. And ere long, Albert will have his right of adulthood.
But Rosalian tradition is that women fight too. Father, Albert needs training. An adult cannot stand on years alone.
Oh, you're stubborn as ever. Guards, go with them and make sure no harm comes to them.
Yes, sir!
Remember, focus.
When wielding a familiar weapon against a powerful enemy, at times you may unconsciously unleash a new technique. This is known as a glimmer.